Hello everyone, welcome back to Maxtubeee. This is Pavel and today I'm back with another unboxing video, and this one is Remax headphone. This one is good. I have used it before and that's why I bought it again. This one is from Remax. This one is with microphone. You can use it in your phone. So this one is for your mobile phone also, and it has really a good finishing and this one is really good. So let's check out this headphone and let's just jump into the box. Okay, so here we have Remix new headphone with microphone, hands-free. I mean, you can use it into your with your mobile phone. So let's check this out. So let's just open up the box. Before we go to the headphone, can you see that you can have a nice pouch bag for your headphone, and this one is free fold buds for your ear. Okay, here is just the quality quality check passed. Okay, so let's go and check out the headphone. Oh, can you just see them? It looks so cool. These are not actually left or right. I mean, it is written only the Remax R. This one is the right. Here you can have an embossed just letter, and here is the left one. This one is left and this one is right. So as you can see that the quality of this headphone is really good. It looks so cool, and let's just connect the mobile phone and check out. Here is this one is the 3.5 jack, and this one is good. It looks good. This one is metal. I mean, for better security, and the cable is so just just thin. Yeah, I love this. Okay, so this one cost me only 750 taka, yes, or maybe you can have it for 700 taka, or maybe 650 taka. It depends on different shops, and this is a Chinese product, but this was designed in Hong Kong. As you can see that this one is from Hong Kong but made in China. So most of the time I try to buy a Remix product because I feel comfortable with this Remix brand, and if you scan it you can find out is it real or not. I mean, the product is a real product, the original product. So this headphone this headphone has noise isolation with pre-6 bass. This headphone has noise isolation with precise bass and high fidelity sound and universal 3.5 mm jack. So it fits with any kind of phone, and this one looks good, this one feels good, and let's just check out the sound quality. You can have all this for $750 or maybe $700. It depends on the store. So let's check out the headphone, how it sounds. Okay, so here is my old iPod. So I'm gonna just connect this one with my iPod, and let's just check out some music. Okay. Yes. Anything, any song. I cannot actually play a song. All these songs are copyrighted by someone on YouTube, so I cannot play song for a long time, just 1 or 2 seconds maybe. Okay, so that's this one. Can you listen that? These headphones are really loud. Okay, so change it. I cannot play for a long time. Then I could have my account terminated if I play for a long time. Okay, so just check out its quality and its sound by your own. You can buy one of these headphone and have a good quality headphones. So I hope that you're gonna find one of the good headphone you're looking for, and it would just help you to listen to your music with good quality. So thank you very much for watching this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just write it in the comment below. And this was just a normal headphone, but with good quality. That's why I just made it. And thank you very much for watching this. I'll see you next time. Take care. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that this video is really gonna help you to find out a good Remax headphone. If you're looking for this headphone, you can buy it online from AliExpress and from Bangladesh also. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in another video. And if you have any inquiry, and if you want to know anything about this product or about anything about my channel, and if you have any suggestion for me for what kind of video I can make for you and what kind of product you want to see next, and just write down in the comment section. I will see you next time in another video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Take care.